This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Forex Report.
Good afternoon, this is David Petrunik with the Forex Report. As we followed the euro-dollar at the start of the Asian session, we saw the pair move and nearly test the 4,300 level. Once the U.S. stock futures opened up at the start of the euro session at around 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the pair proved unable to penetrate the 4,300 level as prices sagged just beneath the level until today's well-anticipated economic releases dropped the pair down to test the 4,200 level. Once the U.S. stock market opened up, the pair stabilized and just continued to go higher. Many other pairs rose ahead of the euro-dollar as the Aussie dollar broke its highs for the day hours before the euro-dollar. The Aussie even broke multiple major highs seen on the daily chart. Some of today's professional traders discounted today's movement related to the economic releases, as majority of the biggest influential traders are still on holiday and not expected back until next week. Today's economic numbers were composed of the non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate. While the non-farm employment change came in better than expected, the unemployment rate was actually worse than expected. Most of the media did their best to put a positive spin on the numbers, while well-respected Rick Santelli was quick to note that looking at the two numbers as a whole is a net negative. While the week began and ended with the dollar weakness or the euro-dollar strength, we are still on the lookout for big picture opportunities to be bullish the dollar or bearish the euro. As we have mentioned recently, big market turns take time to complete themselves, so we are patiently waiting for confirmation that it is time to catch the big wave. Pairs like the Aussie dollar have made a clear 61.8% retracement on the big picture weekly charts, and today they aggressively tested their daily highs. From our dollar bullish perspective, we would have liked to have seen the euro-dollar catch up with the Aussie dollar, as seeing the euro-dollar test its highs today would have been further clarity that any temptation to chase stop orders just above the highs would not be an option unless prices were going higher for more reasons than to just chase stops. The euro-dollar does not have to test its highs to go lower, but in doing so we would have one less question to patiently allow the market to answer. Thanks for tuning in and have a great long weekend.